Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here two popular outdoor style smartwatches. These are affordable, rugged outdoor style smartwatches. We have the latest, the AOLON Watch Tetra S5, and we are going to compare it with the popular C30 Pro. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specs, and the UI of the Tetra S5 versus the C30 Pro smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables, watch this video and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the AOLON Watch Tetra S5 with the C30 Pro. So we have here the packaging. As I have stated before, I like the packaging here of the AOLON Watch Tetra S5. It feels more premium and it is more durable compared to our C30 Pro with a very simple, and although it is compact, very simple, and it's not that durable if you're going to ask me. I think it's just okay. Nothing special compared to our AOLON Watch Tetra S5, which is much better and feels more premium. Going back to the smartwatches, we'll check the design of both wearables. So here are the packaging again. This is the AOLON Watch Tetra S5 and we have the C30 Pro. For the design, we have both do have a PC material. Okay, both do have a circular button on the side, rotary, I think. Let me see. Yes, and this one, yes, it's also rotary. We have a physical button here, so this one can be changed. Okay, and we have this as a return button. The only difference here, as you can see, is that we do have a built-in flashlight for the AOLON Watch Tetra S5. We don't have it here on the C30 Pro. At the back, both do have a pogo pin, magnetic charging. On the side, I like the design here. Of our AOLON Watch Tetra S5. We do have a metal here with the screws, giving it an outdoor sporty look compared to our C30 Pro. But then when it comes to the front, I like the design here of the C30 Pro as well as its metallic bezel. Although this is still, I think this is still plastic. No, it is, I think it's metal. Or maybe a plastic coated with metallic paint. But when in terms of the look, the design, I like the C30 Pro here. For the strap, both do have a flexible silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle. Again, for the design, which do you think is much better? Okay, on the side, seems like the Tetra S5 is much slimmer. At the back, on the other side, and that's it. Okay, so for the design, I like the C30 Pro here compared to our AOLON Watch Tetra S5. But as you can see here, the built-in flashlight here, LED flashlight, is very useful. Okay, I've used it several times already and I find it very useful. Okay, again for the design. Next, let's have the dimension. So let's measure the size here. Let's go first with the Tetra S5 for the width. So it is around 40.8 or 7, 40.7. Again. Okay, then for our AOLON, or for our C30 Pro, 40.9. So it's almost the same here. For the width, without the extra here, the extra design, 48.9. The other one is around 47.8. Just a minor difference. I think when it comes to the thickness, there's a huge difference. We have 11.2 for the Tetra S5, and for our C30 Pro, it is 12.0, so almost 1, okay, or 1 millimeter in difference when it comes to the width. Again, without the sensor, so 11.5, depending on the location. 11.5, shall we say 11.5, 11.5. The other one without the sensor, so 11.9 or 12. Okay, seems like there's a big difference here when it comes to the thickness. We're going to take a look at it, but if you're going to measure it, it's not that much. Okay, then for the weight, zero, we have 49.68 for the Tetra S5. For the C30 Pro, it is around 51. Again, 49, 51. Okay, just barely 3 grams or 2 grams difference when it comes to body weight. Okay, going back to the smartwatch, let's have the specifications. Again, this is our Tetra S5 and we have the C30 Pro. For the specs, we have 1.93-inch IPS, 2.19-inch IPS. So big difference when it comes to the screen size. Both do have a Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity. We have 420 mAh battery for the S5, 250 mAh only for the C30 Pro. Both do have an IP68 waterproof rating, Glory Fit app for the support app, HRY Fine app for the C30 Pro. Again, here are the specifications. So which do you think is better in terms of specs? Next, let's have the UI. On top, we have notifications here with the transparent effect. We have the settings. On the bottom part, we have notifications. On the bottom part, it's a dashboard with the common applications. On the left side, we have a split screen here. Here, we have again one dashboard for the common applications. We have the widgets here. Okay, and to access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, here, let's see. Okay, so this is for the flashlight. This one is a return button. Okay, so that's it for the UI of the AOLON Watch Tetra S5 compared with the C30 Pro. On our next video, we are going to compare the menus and features of both smartwatches. Again, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.